everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Cleaning Spaces with me, Violet. So in today's video I am going to do the whole house cleaning with me part 1 and living room transformation, unboxing the sofa and setting up my new rug. And I hope this video got you motivated, and don't go away. Stay tuned to see each and every step that I'm going to take in cleaning and setting up my new sofa. So first of all, what I did is take out everything, and I decided to put my Christmas tree over here because there was no space. The sofa looks so big than expected and as measured. So yeah, without talking so much, let's continue the cleaning and the unboxing of the sofa. And yeah, stay tuned guys, don't go away.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So now I'm cleaning the kids' playroom. So this room is always like cluttered and the toys are everywhere. So no matter how I try to teach my kids to pack their toys whenever they finish playing, but they don't do that. Sometimes they do. So I have a 10-year-old and I have 5 years and I have a 3-year-old one. So but they're still behind in learning how to put their toys in places. So let me know in the comment section, do your kids pack back their toys whenever they finish playing, or they wait for you to come and organize for them again? But for mine, whenever they finish playing, sometimes they pack, but most of the time this room is so much like everywhere, everything is all over the place. So whenever I am doing my cleaning, like whenever I'm doing the whole house cleaning or just normal cleaning, everyday cleaning, what I do to get me motivated is to start in the room which has not got so much cluttered, the room which is a little bit cleaner. It makes easier for me and makes easier for me not to feel overwhelmed. So yeah guys, so stay tuned, don't go away, and let's continue the cleaning.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So now I'm cleaning my bedroom. So what I do is take out everything. Today I am going to change the sheets. So I change my sheet 2 times in a week, and I'm doing so because the kids always come to pray on the bed sometimes, and sometimes they bring food on the bed and eat, and it gets stained. So to prevent that from getting molded, I do change and wash them like 2 times in a week. And also I clean under my bed like 2 times in a week as well. Yeah, I don't like to keep a little dust under my bed over there. So let me know in the comment section, how do you clean your bedroom? Do you how much do you change your sheets? Do you change to twice a week, or once a week, or once in a month? And how often do you clean under your bed as well? But today I am not cleaning under my bed because I have already done that. And in my next video I am going to clean my kitchen. In my next cleaning part, whole house part 2, I'm going to clean my kitchen and my other room as well, and the bathroom, and all the remaining that stuff. So I hope you stick around and subscribe to this channel, so, and also click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much to my subscribers for always supporting me, and thank you so much for those of you who are watching my videos until the end. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I